Welcome back, Crammers. Question 3. Here are the first 5 terms of a number sequence. Write down the next term of the sequence. We can say that the difference between 13 and 7 is plus 6. And we can say that the difference between 19 and 13 is plus 6. So we can assume that the next value will simply be 31 plus 6, which is 37. 37. Explain how you found your answer in part A1. We add 6. The 30th term in the sequence is 181. Work out the 20th term in the sequence. We could use the formula here, but actually, since the 30th term and the 28th term are given, we know that the difference is 6. So actually, we can simply write 181 minus 6 times 2. Since we have to find the 28th term, we only have to find the difference twice from the 30th term. So you can write 181 minus 12. That gives us 169. 169. Brian says that 96 is a number in the sequence. Brian is wrong. Explain why. So in the sequence, we can see that 7, 13, 19, 25, 31 are all odd numbers. Why is that? Because an even number plus an odd number will always be an odd number no matter what. So, no matter how many times you add 6 to the sequence, you will never get 96 because 96 is an even number. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.